Hi, my name is Max. What's your name? My name is Gregory Frank. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing well. About you? Oh, I'm in some trouble. I'm failing math class and stuff, so if I don't, if I fail, I will have to retake it next semester. And if I have to retake math, I won't be able to do fitness, and as you can see, I have very weak arms. Oh, I mean, like, well, I also don't have very strong arms, but have you ever considered going to the gym? Yes, I have, but the gym is too expensive for me, and I do have half decent workout equipment at home. Okay, good. Oh wait, what's the most you've ever bench pressed? The most I've ever bench pressed is 95, which isn't a lot for my age. Well, I can only bench 85, sir, so you're doing a much better job than me. Oh, hey, no. I could really use some help with math by the way. What do you need help with? I just have trouble handing in my assignments on time, so like because I'm very slow with my assignments, and yeah, I'm not very good at handing in stuff on time. Oh, I have a similar problem. And well, I can help you with your work if you'd like. Yes, you'd be a really big help to me. You'll make me pass. Hey, by the way, do you want to do really well, or or is all you care about passing? All I care about is passing. I don't care how well I do as long as I pass. Okay, well, I'll make sure you pass so you can build some muscles. Good. Bye. Bye.